Roadmap to Riches course review. In this video, guys, I am not promoting Roadmap to Riches. Okay, so I'm gonna give you my honest review about Roadmap to Riches, guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want my #1 recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it into your email inbox. Okay, now let's talk about the Roadmap to Riches course. Okay, Roadmap to Riches course, known as the Roadmap to Riches 3.0. It is a master resell rights. Okay, it is a master resell rights, and that's what I'm gonna tell you about the things that I don't like about these kind of courses, guys. Okay, the way that it is being marketed online is that people, they are showing you all of the income claims. They are making all of the income claims that they made use promoting these kind of courses. I think that the FTC is gonna come and knock on this kind of, is gonna take down this kind of website because they don't offer any refunds, guys. Okay, they sell here, it is final. Whenever you buy something here on this kind of master resell rights, they sell it is final, so they don't offer any refunds, so you're gonna lose your money here, guys. Okay, so let's talk about what you'll be getting here on master resell rights, guys. Okay, with master resell rights, you learn about the foundations of business, like how to market on social media. That's their main goal. Okay, using Instagram and also TikTok. They're gonna teach you all of those things, guys. Okay, they're gonna teach you about email marketing. They're gonna teach you how to build an online business, how to use faceless marketing. If you don't want to show your face, you can do all of those things here with master resell rights, guys. Okay, what I like about it is that the training here, guys, it is high quality training produced, guys. Okay, the training, it is good, it is high quality, and also they are teaching you the right information about online marketing, about social media. If your goal is to make money using social media, how to grow your social media account, how to convert your followers into customers, master resell rights, they are teaching you all of those things, guys. Okay, so the Roadmap to Riches 3.0, they are teaching you all of those. They are teaching you how to master our resell rights and all of those things. They are teaching you that. Yeah, so let's talk about some of the red flags. As I said earlier on to you, is that they sell here, it is final, there are no refunds. If you purchase this course, maybe to someone, to whatever, maybe on social media, on YouTube, you're not gonna get a refund. They say it is final here. So those are things that I don't like. And also, in order to promote this product, you have to buy it first, which sounds like a scheme to me, which sounds like a multi-level marketing scheme, because with affiliate marketing, you don't have to purchase anything in order to make money with it, so I don't like it. And also, they claim that you can make 100% profit. Yes, you can make that, but in order to make that, you have to purchase the course and also resell the same course, so I don't like the way that it's being marketed. Although that information here that they offer, it is high quality training information that you can learn on how to master social media marketing and how to make money with social media marketing. Now let's talk about the pricing here, guys. With the master resell rights, it's gonna be $497 one-time payment, and what I think there's also be $30 to create your own website. It's gonna help you they will design for you your own website, guys. Okay, keep in mind, whenever you purchase this $497, they said it is final. You're not gonna get a refund, whatever. Man, that's not a business. Like, when you buy something online, if you buy a course, whatever supplement that you buy online, they must have a money back guarantee, maybe 30 days money back guarantee. Some of they also have 180 days money back guarantee, but here there's no money back guarantee here. If you buy the course, they say it's fine, you're not gonna get the refund. If you don't like the course, you're not gonna get the refund, so you wasted your money. So I don't recommend for you guys, okay, on this kind of website. But if you want a legit way to make money online, remember, guys, I've been failing for 4 years trying to make money online. I didn't even make a dime online until I found the right mentor with high ticket affiliate marketing that allows you to make over $1,000 per sale with high ticket affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it into your email inbox, guys. Forget about these master resale rights, because the FTC, they may close these kind of businesses, and also these kind of businesses, they may get saturated very fast, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I want to get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you. Sharp.